Hi everyone, my name is Amarjeet Gupta and today I am here to make my video. So let's start with today's video. So I'm going to talk about higher order function, HOF, and what is higher order function and what is callback function. And I have to cover for higher order function. So what is higher order function? A function which takes another function as a argument, as a parameter. Those functions are called higher order function. And callback function, those functions are passed as a parameter. We can say it is a callback function and it is very useful for interview process. So in higher order function, we have to know about for each function, higher order function, HOF function, and map. Third one is filter, and fourth one is reduce. So these four methods are very useful in our JavaScript. And by learning those things, you can implement in your web page these things. So let's talk about for each HOF, higher order function. So like we are printing our array of each element by using for loop and while loop. For I, let I equal to 0 and I less than length of a string and I plus plus. And we just use array of I and we print all the element. And for each, by using for each, we just assign a value. We can say const array equal to and array dot for each. In bracket, we can use a function and we can use a anonymous function also or array function also. We can use array function. So as a or parameter, we can uh, inside in bracket we use element, index, and array. So if you are going to print element, you will get the element name, and if you are going to print index, so you will get index value of element. If you are going to print array, you will get whole array. So this is about for loop, for each loop, and we can just access and we can use our element wherever we want. And this is a expensive because it is if you want to create a list also of all the element, new list. So what you have to do, you have to take a empty list or array, and you can just append all the element in your new list. So it will not give any list as a result. So that's why we say it is a expensive function. And in map, what in map? Map is a higher order function, and we use as a assign its expression array x equal to or x map array x array equal to array dot map, and inside bracket we can again take a bracket and we can put element as a parameter, element and index value and array, and close and make a array function array, and you can just use curly braces, and in your inside your curly braces you can write the whatever you want. If you want index value, you can just return simply. In for loop, especially we are always doing printing console, but here you have to return your index value or your element value. So it will give you a as a as a list, as a new list with your element or with your, if you are not, if you are just returning not showing anything, so you will get a, a a new array which is filled with undefined because you have not defined. So exact as your length of array, you will exact get new element, new array with the same length of return. You are doing return and you are getting a empty undefined list. So if you are returning element, or you are just performing any activity over your element, you can just multiply with 2, or you can just double your element value. You can just make element into 2, so you will get a new array with the help of map function. And in map function, you get new array. You don't need to take any empty array, and you can append in your all the element inside the element, inside the array, in your new array. So it will make a prepared array. It will give always. And let's this is about for each function and map function. And tomorrow I will talk about reduce function and filter function, and both two functions, higher order function, are very useful. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much.